Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Advanced Settings. Then select Languages and Input at the top, click on All Screen Keyboard and tap on Keyboard. Then you need to choose Theme section over here, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then tap on Apply once again. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it, tap on this pin icon over here and select OK in the pop-up. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!